Hello and welcome to this short presentation on the English Literature MLitt at the University of Glasgow. I'm Laura Rattray, Reader in American Literature at the university.
Hi, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am Malika Willie. I am lecturer in Black British and African Diasporic Studies, and Laura and I are the co-conveners of the MLitt English program at the university.
We want to give you a very brief programme overview, and you'll find much more information on our website pages. But as you probably know, it's a one-year postgraduate programme offered by the School of Critical Studies. And it's a comprehensive education in literary studies, covering a plethora of topics over a wide range of periods. And you can see some of the areas in which we specialise up there on the screen. And it's also a programme that ends with a dissertation, which is a wonderful opportunity for you to undertake independent research on a topic that interests you, supported by an expert in the field.
Why choose this particular program? Well, it is really excellent. And Laura has given us so many reasons as to why we ought to choose it, but there are more reasons. It is flexible. Whatever you are interested in, you can construct your degree to fit that. So if you're interested in fantasy, you can choose fantasy courses. If you're interested in modernities, you can do the same. But you can also pick courses across departments and across the university. So if you're interested in doing something like gender studies, interested in doing something like history, it is possible for you to do that. So what makes this course fantastic is your capacity to pick all of the things that you like and create it into this fantastic degree.
And just to add to that, we even extend the flexibility by giving you the opportunity to dip down for one course to do a senior honours option, which gives you another vaster range of options to choose from. In terms of careers and paths and opportunities, Malika and I have been really excited to see what many of our alumni go on to, and it's a whole range of careers. Some go on to a PhD, some will go into academia, some into journalism, into publishing, some into teaching, into other graduate training schemes. So the world is out there, and we think that this programme really equips you with valuable skills for your chosen research future career.
And in order for you to apply for this program, you ought to have gotten a 2-1 or higher in undergrad. But if you have that and you have your academic transcripts and you have your YELTS scores, if that's necessary, then you can sign into the online portal that we have and submit your documents there, which include personal statements and samples of your writings. And if everything goes well, you might meet us at the University of Glasgow.
And we very much hope that you will, and you'll enjoy courses, as I say, led by specialists in their field, our world-class library, our brilliant archivists and academics, and you'll benefit from small classes where learning is student-centred, providing an intimate, supportive space for you to engage in learning. And one of the things that Malika and I love most about this programme is that it really attracts students from diverse backgrounds from all over the world, offering a really cultural, rich and inclusive place for all of us to engage in a vibrant learning experience.
Indeed. And as Laura stated earlier, our alumni are always fantastic. And I am certain that if you come to the University of Glasgow, if you do this program, you will not regret it. You will be successful in whatever you decide to do. And we have evidence of this by the great alumni successes prior to you coming here. So look forward to that and to engaging in a fantastic space where the learning environment is not just focused on learning itself, but on social activities and communal engagements.
Malika and I want you all to have a great year. If this sounds like your thing, check out the next steps. All the information is on the English Literature MLitt information page on our website. You'll find contact details for myself and Malika and our brilliant admissions team. And we really hope to be seeing you very soon.
Indeed. And if you want more information about the College of Arts and Humanities, you can find our social media um, links. We've got Instagram, we've got X, and we've got Facebook. So you can find whatever you need to find to know that we are always the best choice for you.
Take care, and we hope to see you very soon.
Bye.